Okay, so today we are going to learn how to add social media icons to our WordPress blog. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard, and from here on the left hand side go to the option of customize under design. From here go on the left hand side to the option which is called as widgets. Click on it, and you can see we have option to put widgets in two options, footer 1 and footer 2. It is totally depending upon your theme that you have chosen, and according to the theme you can choose different places to place your widgets. For our theme it is showing widget compatibility in the footer section, so I'm going to click on footer 1, and as you can see it is empty right now. Okay, the footer is generally this part. Okay, this part, the empty part here. So let me just first click on add a widget, and I'm going to type in here social media, okay, or social icons. So once I have clicked that, you can see a section pops up here. You can type anything if you want. The followers default is pretty good. Now how to add icons? To add icons, just open up your profile, social profile. So I have my Insta and my Twitter profile here. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here, okay? And what happens automatically when I paste it here, this icon will pop up. You can change the size here also. You can make it small or medium or large. Okay, I think the large one is looking pretty good. So apart from that, if you want to add another icon, what do you want to click on? Click on add icon here. Suppose I want to add a Twitter icon, so let me go back to my Twitter ID and let me copy the URL from here, and I can paste it here again, and automatically the will pop up. Okay, automatically once you have clicked, the Twitter icon will pop up here. So that is that easy. Now remember to do one thing, is that always click on open in a new tab, because you don't want your blog to go away when somebody clicks on that. Apart from that, you can even reorder. Okay, suppose you want the Twitter to come at first, so just drag and drop and things will come. If you want Instagram to come below it, you can also order it this way. See, we have changed the order. You can change order by just drag and drop. Okay, that is that easy. Once you have done, just click on save changes. Now let us view our blog. Okay, so this is our blog. If we just scroll down, we can see that we have a social media icons here. If I click on any one of it, okay, let me just close this two social buttons here. If I just click on any one of it, suppose I click on Twitter, it will open up my Twitter profile in a new window, in a new tab. Okay, if I click on Instagram, it will open up my Instagram in a new tab. So that is how you add social media icons to your WordPress blog. Another way you can do it is via the menu of the title option here, or the menu option here. Okay, so let us see how we can do that too. So again, we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard here, and from here what we are going to do is that we are going to the option of customize again under design. And now let us see, we have the option here menu. Click on menu. What we can do is that we can create a new menu, or we can keep this menu only. So let us see the primary menu. We have this three things. Okay, we have this invalid thing. Let us just delete this, whatever we have here. Okay, so we have a 3 pages, the blog, about me, and contact us, that we learned in the initial stages of our workshop. So let me add a new menu. Okay, add items. I'm just going to click add items here, and what you can do is that you can add custom links here. Okay, we have all these different pages. You can even add custom links. So if I drop down here, I can just put in my ID. So my Instagram ID, I'll just put it here. Okay, my Twitter ID, I've put it here. I can just type Twitter. Okay, I can click on add to menu, and if you can see here, Twitter has been added to my menu here. Okay, the most preferred social media that you want, or the most frequently used social media that you use, you can put it up here. That is no issues. Okay, and if I click on save changes, and view my blog, you can see we have the Twitter title here. If I click on Twitter, it will take me to my Twitter account here. Okay, so that is that easy. Now one thing we can do ahead and change here is in the customize option, in the menu option, primary, custom link, we forgot to click open link in a new tab. Okay, always remember to do that. Click save changes, and now when I click on Twitter, not here, but if I click on Twitter here now, it will take to me my Twitter profile but in a new tab. That is how you add social media icons. Thank you.